Alright, welcome to another unboxing video from eBay. This is, let me go ahead and cover all that here. The Pentium OverDrive 83. So I'm just going to have to get my screwdriver and open up the box here. This is going to go into my pack refill, pack me 20 plus, just to do some benchmarking and see which processor is the best, the 83 MHz Pentium OverDrive or the current one they have in there, which is an AMD AM5X86P75 EDZ. And that's the one that's in there right now at the moment. So it's some DX5133 per se. Alright, 33 MHz front side bus with a 4x multiplier, 16 kilobytes of low cache, right back or right through, depending upon the cost of the motherboard and its on areas. Voltage regulator module, which is the socket. It has different speeds, so you can set, like, you can set higher megahertz, you can set right back cache, right through cache. It works great on motherboards that only support the 5-volt processor, which my motherboard only supports 5 volts at the moment. I am planning on adding the 3.3 volt support except to find the capacitors for it. And I already have the 3.3 volt fixed voltage regulator installed on it, but I haven't the chance to install that. What the hell kind of a box is this? Okay, so this is the weird box. It looks like glasses. I buy direct. Yeah, no kidding. Let's see the possibility. Word packaging and material addicts finest. As long as it pays the bill. Well, shipping that is. So put that aside here. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Alright, so here it is. I don't know if you can see that or not. Here's the processor. All the pins are A-OK. None of them are missing. They all look good. Let's go ahead and take the fan off here. One thing that's neat about these overdrive processors is it has a built-in fan. Okay, so POD5E83. And here's the fan. I should oil that fan. It's not really, it doesn't sound that good, pleasant. I had another fan, but apparently that long since disappeared from another Pentium OverDrive, but unfortunately that Pentium OverDrive stopped working a long time ago. Well, it was actually confusing how the hell to get it to work anyways. Let's go ahead and peel off this Pentium OverDrive sticker. The bearing. Probably one of those sealed ones. Nope, it's not a sealed one. Okay, good. So I'll be right back. I have to get my machine oil. Alright, so I got the machine oil. Let's go ahead and dribble some into the bearing shaft here. And remove the excess up there. Because I got some paper here that I can use to look away any of the excess here. The thing about using double-sided tape, I don't think this is going to be a good idea. Especially if I have to we oil the fan in the future. Anyway, there's that for now. So stay tuned for a live Twitch stream of installing the processor into my 486 over there, and possibly test out a jetway board and see how it performs. Actually, it's not a bad idea. Why don't I test it on there too? It looks like there's a pin that's a little bit bent. Yeah, there it is. Let me fix that real quick. Sorry, I'm like a perfectionist when it comes to pins. So anyway, that's it for now. Feel free to leave a comment if you have one. If you like any of the videos I post on YouTube, consider hitting the like button. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. And I'll see you soon.